Going to try bending our second Cetme flat, the HK91 G3 Cetme, whatever you want to make it. Start with, we've got the 3/16 hole, 3/8 of an inch in from the end. Here's the female die for the bending, the male pusher. This is a full-length mandrel that we'll use later in the process to true up the action, and we'll see how it goes. The thing we did was grease up the die with Castrol stick wax. Works really good for bending and drawing. And next step is to set the flat in over the pins, and then set the pusher on top of it, and then we'll take it over to the press. Okay, you're going to set it up in the press, start seating the die. You'll see it start moving a little bit. I'm going to move it back and forth a couple of times just to make sure everything's seating properly. And then we'll probably commence the bending a little bit more of it without wasting a lot of video time. But I'll get it up a little bit here for you. Just bring it up maybe 1/8 of an inch to 1/4 at a time. Keep moving back and forth till it's finally everything's touching. Try to keep the presser bar parallel. Okay, well, we're getting close, so time to start the video back up. There's it coming together. I'd say that's pretty much perfect. Then I'm kind of biased here. I'll put a screw through there just to hold that in place. Then I'll move down to the other end. Same thing. We'll move it over to the welder. Okay, just finished tacking the ends together. Got the bolts taken out, ready to pop it out of the fixture, and remove the inner bar. Pins drop down. Okay. Go back. Okay, there's the flat fresh out of the die, and it's going to have a kind of a curvy shape to it, of course. And the next step will take care of straightening and aligning the rails. This is the full-length mandrel, and its sole purpose is to straighten this flat out, realign it, and true everything up as well as square the rails. Now, it's going to take a little bit to get it in there. Luckily, I have a hammer nearby. Okay, as part of this process, got these pincher rails that are going to go on here, and they're going to slide together like that, and then go over to the press, and we'll squeeze this thing into shape around the mandrel. Same as before, I'm going to keep the pressure distributed. The we're going to square those rails out so that the standard HK stock, so I just picked up sliding stock so they'll fit real nice on this receiver. I'll flip this thing around so that you can see the rails coming in over here on the end. Ted. Pretty much there. Okay. Just came out of the press. The rails have been squared. The tube's been re-rounded against the 20 millimeter mandrel tube, and tap it off here. Taps off. There we go. And of course, the real test is the bolt drop. So I think we're there.